Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to blur background on Zoom. Here's how you can blur your background on the Zoom app from a PC. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom's website and sign into your account if prompted, or launch the Zoom app, which I have done in here. Now from the home page, go ahead and click on New Meeting to start your own meeting. Or you can click on Join to enter an existing meeting where you want to apply the blurred background. So let's say I want to start my meeting, and here you go. It's connecting. And once it's in enough, we're going to see the meeting controls. So here we go. I don't want to use an audio, so I'm just going to go all the way back and click on continue and disable. Okay, let's just click on the video to enable the video. So once you're in the meeting, go ahead and locate the profile icon. So once you're in the meeting, go ahead and head over to your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. So from the drop down menu, select settings, and in the settings menu, find and select the background and effect section, which we have here. Now under virtual backgrounds, from all of these tabs, click on virtual background. You'll see different options for background effects. So find and select blur, which we have here to apply a blurred background to your video. Now this says download smart virtual background page. You can click on download to start downloading. Now I'm not going to download because I don't have sufficient space on my PC, but if you click on download, then you'll be able to download this background. Now once you download the background, you can come over here and click on it again. After clicking on it, it's going to be applied to your video. So after clicking on it, you're going to see a preview window showing how your background looks with the blur effect right here. So once you see, you're going to see it displayed here with the blurred background. After that, close the settings window. Okay, so close the settings window to save and apply your blurred background during the meeting. If you need to adjust or change the background further, you can just reopen the settings via the profile icon and navigate the background and effects. That's it. So if the blur option isn't available, check that your browser and device meets Zoom's requirement for virtual backgrounds. The blur effect may not be supported on all web browsers or older versions of the Zoom web app. This process enables you to apply a blurred background effect directly within the meeting settings on Zoom. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.